Want to know how I achieved this delicious vegetable jollof rice? Watch this video to the end to know how I achieved this delicious jollof rice. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. My return is thank you and God bless you for always supporting my channel. I really appreciate you all. In today's video, we are going to be making vegetable jollof rice. As you can see here, we have my pot already in the fire. I never thought of making a video of it, and later changed my mind of doing a video. That is why you see everything was ready in the pot. So guys, let me introduce you everything inside this pot. And we have chicken, we have beef, and all the seasoning I'm using to season the meat and the chicken. We have one Maggi cube, one slicing onions, one fresh pepper, rosemary, thyme, and bogal flavor powder. We have salt, we have curry powder. Those are the seasoning you are seeing there. Keep washing. So today is my first time of slicing a lot of vegetable in my jollof rice. I just want to try this for the first time. I know that it will be very delicious. Please, as I said earlier, don't forget to watch this video from the starting to the end, and do me a favor and subscribe. Click also my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. You will love what I'm doing there. It's not the same thing, we are doing a different thing in that video. We do blog, and I also sell bags, shoes, everything in there as well. So keep watching. I am going to be boiling the meat for at least 40 minutes. The beef will be 20 minutes while the chicken will be 40 minutes. So very soon I will cover the pot, just turning it. Now I'll just turn the meat for this, the Maggi, all the seasoning to enter the meat. I'm just turning it now a little bit, and I will be covering it very soon. Okay guys, my meat, the pot is very small, so I'm going to be transferring the meat to the other bigger pot. So I already transfer it. Now it's in the other big pot, so I'll be covering it now. We'll leave it for 40 minutes as I said earlier. I just want to turn it because I leave it for a few minutes, and I'm turning it for the seasoning to get into the meat. Now I have my fry pan with oil inside. I'm just frying the carrots, slicing the onions, for the vegetable is here paprika, red paprika, and green, yellow paprika, green beans, string beans as well. Keep washing. The carrot is still frying. Okay, now we are frying the paprika. Now I have my own pot in the fire. My vegetable oil is inside. Just want to stew the tomatoes. First thing I had is onions. I haven't had salt because I know that I have a lot of, I put salt in the stew before, in the meat. I'll be adding salt later. Now I'm adding tomatoes. One Maggi cube. I told I will be using 2 Maggi. I use 1 Maggi for the meat and 1 Maggi for the stew. So I will let this stew to steam a little bit. I will be covering it for a few minutes. So my meat is already frying. Okay, my stew, I will be adding my rice now. I have to turn it to mix everything together. The tomatoes to mix with the rice. I'm just turning it to make everything to get inside the rice. Okay guys, you can see the rice is boiling now. I'm adding my paprika, all the vegetable inside. Here come my green beans. Okay, now I'm adding butter. When I'm cooking jollof rice without butter, I don't really love it, so I always add my butter on it to make more tasty, make more flavor. That flavor of patty that it will come out from it. That scented patty jollof rice. When you add butter, that is why I always add that butter. Give another different taste entirely. So I am turning everything, mixing the butter together. And rice is ready, guys. Thank you for joining me for today's video, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.